This is... Ooh! Mystery boxes. They are packages that have random stuff inside that's supposed to have more value than what you paid for them. They're all the rage right now. A lot of e-commerce stores such as Lazada are selling their own different takes of mystery boxes. They usually sell anywhere from 500 pesos all the way up to 50,000 pesos or $1,000 here in the Philippines. Now, I was able to get myself this massive Gadget Mystery Box from e-commerce site POUNDIT. POUNDIT specialized mostly in gadgets and tech. And this one, guys, is a $1,000 or 50,000 peso mystery box. Welcome to the vlog. My name is Carlo. This is where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And today is a 50,000 peso tech mystery box unboxing from POUNDIT. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to announce the mechanics for a giveaway for the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. To be able to qualify though, the minimum requirement is for you to be subscribed to the channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor, go down now, tap that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and then leave a comment down below to share some love. Let's go. So this is the 50,000 peso or $1,000 mystery box. So we will be unboxing it together. I haven't seen this yet, so it is sealed. So I have no idea what's inside. I have no idea if this will be worth the 50,000 pesos that POUNDIT is charging for it. But I am excited seeing as POUNDIT has gotten a lot of positive reviews, not just for their mystery boxes, but for a lot of the customer service that they do with their e-commerce store. Yeah, this is definitely wrapped heavily. So So just a closer look at the box. It's your typical brown carton box, but the nice touch is if you take a look at the upper right corner, it says here, "Unbox me" with a smiley, and you have the POUNDIT logo here at the side. So let's take a look at what's inside the $1,000, 50,000 peso mystery box of POUNDIT. Oh, they even have like this winding mechanism at the side to be able to open the lid of the box. That's a nice touch, makes it a little more sophisticated and helps with the overall unboxing experience. First up, we have a lot of bubble wrap, and I mean a lot. This is like so much whoa, so much bubble wrap. So what? Wait. Overwhelming bubble wrap. So what's inside the box? So this is what it looks like inside. So you have a lot of packages inside that you can also unbox one by one. So it is a great experience all throughout. So it's not just unboxing the box, it's unboxing what's inside the box, all the different stuff that you guys have here. So let's go through the items one by one. I am excited. So first up, let's take this big box over here. So yeah, I can already see what it is. It is an Instax. Let me just, so satisfying to do that. So you have the Instax, Fujifilm Instax Square 6. So which is supposed to be an instant camera slash Instagram camera, I guess. So it has automatic exposure control for brighter pictures, selfie mirror, selfie mode, macro mode, landscape mode, double exposure mode, lighten mode, and darken mode. So there you have it. The first item that we have in the box, the Instax Square SQ6 instant camera. Next up, we have this small package over here. I have a strong, oh yeah, it is. It's confirmed. This is the Instax Square film. So you need this film to be able to take the shots because it auto-develops into this film. Next, we have, what's this one? We have, let me just take the wrapper out. We have a Google Chromecast. So you have the Google Chromecast over here, which allows you to be able to quickly and seamlessly stream your content from your smartphone to your TV, basically turning any TV that you have with an HDMI port to a smart TV. So much bubble wrap in this box, guys. As in, so messy. But anyway, let's keep going. Next up, this is the third item inside the box. I have no idea what this is. Looks like headphones, I think. So, oh no, it's a smartwatch. We have the Garmin. Oh, it's not a generic dumb smartwatch. This is the Garmin Forerunner 35. One of the best smartwatches when it comes to fitness and health. Garmin is one of the go-to brands that you guys should check out, and definitely one of their nicest watches, the Forerunner 35. So definitely a great addition to this box. So that brings the total to 4 gadgets that we have. We have the camera, we have the film, we have the Chromecast, and we have the smartwatch. Let's keep going. Man, there's still a lot of stuff in here. So, well, it is 50,000 pesos worth. It should have that much, right? So we have this small packaging. It's an unbranded cord, but it has denim. So, oh wait, there's the brand, sorry. This is the Geekery POUNDIT denim lightning cable. So, yeah, it's a nice addition with that. You have that leather clasp as well to be able to keep it together. Next up, we have, I have no idea what this is, probably a power bank, I guess. So let's open this up so we can take a look. It's a speaker. So this is the Jbl Go 2 Bluetooth speaker. I think it also functions as, no, it doesn't function as a power bank. So yeah, it does have 5 hours of playtime. It is waterproof. It also functions as a speakerphone. So there you have it, the JBL by Harman Go-to wireless speaker. Then we have more bubble wrap. So much bubble wrap. Okay, we have a few more items in the box. Next up, oh, this is one of the bigger packaging. Let's just take this out. Oh, it looks like a bag. It is a bag. So, yeah, it's a bag. You have a gadget bag by, what's the brand? I don't know how to pronounce it. Gauche. So it's a canvas gadget bag by Gauche or Gusha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a canvas gadget bag. After that, we have more bubble wrap, bubble wrap. So we have 2 more items inside this gadget mystery box from POUNDIT. Let's take a look at the next one. Hopefully this looks nice. This is, ooh, of course you should have a smartphone when you talk about gadget boxes. Guys, this is the Redmi Note 7. So this is the Redmi Note 7. Oh wow, this is really nice. This is the one with the 4000 milliampere battery, 6 gig of RAM, 64 gigabytes internal storage. Redmi Note 7. Wow, that's a nice addition to this box. So let's set this aside as well. We have one more item here, which is the biggest one, probably like earphones. I'm not sure, but I have a feeling that it is earphones. So let's just take it out of the packaging. Oh wow, oh, that's really nice. Sorry for the exaggerated tone. Guys, the Sony WH-1000XM3 is the best noise-canceling earphones that you guys can get. I mean, I've tried a lot. I used to be an audio head. I used to be an audiophile. You can check out my tech channel, Unbox PH. I've reviewed a ton of headphones. This is by far one of the best noise-canceling headphones that you guys can pick up in the market today. And they added it into this mystery box. So it has that black color, black matte finish, and it has gold accents of the Sony branding on it. And it even has 1-year warranty for Sony. This is really nice. The Sony wireless noise-canceling stereo headset. So let's quickly go over the items one by one and take a look at the prices to see what is the overall value of what we got, considering that this is a 50,000 peso mystery box. First up, we have the Sony WH-1000XM3. The retail price of this one, or you can get it for 16,999 pesos or 17,000 pesos. Next, we have the Redmi Note 7. The Redmi Note 7 you can get for 14,100 pesos. Next, we have the JBL Go 2 wireless speaker. This one you can get for 2,100 200 pesos. Then we have the Instax Square. This one sells for 7,840 pesos. The film usually goes for like 300 to 500 pesos. Then you have the Gauche. I still can't pronounce it properly. Canvas bag. This one sells for 3,000 pesos. The Geek Lightning Cable, the one covered in denim, sells for a little less than 500 pesos. The Chromecast sells for 2,600 pesos. And the Garmin smartwatch sells for 11,000 pesos. If you add it all up, the overall combined price is a little over 58,000 pesos. So you get 8,000 pesos in additional value if you compare it to the actual retail prices of the different items that I found in this mystery box. Now, the great thing about this particular haul is that they are all official, they all have warranties, they are all legit, which is fantastic because most of the mystery boxes that you guys can get today just offer fake items with no warranties and no guarantees. If they break down, you lost your money, boom. And that's why if you guys are looking to buy gadgets here in the Philippines, I would highly recommend that you guys check out POUNDIT.com. They do have an official lineup of gadgets that all have warranties, that are all legit, which is a great breath of fresh air considering all the fake stuff going out in the market today. And that's actually it for our vlog today. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Make sure that you guys subscribe. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. All of that good stuff. We are about to announce the raffle soon. Peace, God bless, what's up, you know it, boom.